Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the tulip tribe. Today, how to color enhance hydrangeas to get the perfect hue. Doesn't matter which color you start with. Could be green, could be white, could be blue. But you need an assortment of Design Master paints. And you'll discover there's lots of different ones that will work. Maybe you want to add some sage green for some depth. Maybe you want to go heavier to violet. You get to choose. The key is when you're painting, hold the can far away. Do multiple very light coats from a long distance, then switch, go to the next one, and then just keep looking until you get the exact color that you want. Now it's your turn to experiment because you know the pro technique for color enhancing.